Alright YouTube, what's up? Fuel Up 727 back at you with another video. So this week I mentioned in my previous video that there was an electrical problem with the truck, which there is, but then again there isn't, but let me explain. So I know it's a common problem for these newer Rams, I guess 2014 on up, with these tailgate actuators where they randomly will decide to work or they won't work. So intermittently, that's the word I'm looking for, intermittently work. So the truck had a little accident a while back with the tailgate. It was pushed in, had it replaced, had it fixed. Looks brand new. You never would know. So I'm wondering if there was a pinched wire, and I'll just show you. So I thought there was a pinched wire, sorry for the echo, right in this part of the harness. So I already cut apart, looked at it. There was some bare wire showing, like right here in the thick black wire, which I guess is the ground, because it's actually got two wires, a thin black and a thicker black. The thicker black had it. So I went ahead and electrical taped that up, and I put this back together. But then I decided to take this off, and I noticed that, I know it may not matter, but I started moving the plug around. Like I had it up, down, side, side, and it would work all the time when I held it up like this. So I don't know what the cause of that could be, but let me show you to see if it'll not work. So we're gonna unlock it. Now we're gonna lock it. Let's move it to the side. See if that won't work. Alright, now it won't work. So we just unlocked it and locked it, and it didn't work. So the movement of this whole wire, because that plug feeds all the way, don't know if you can see it or not. Alright, there you go. Feeds all the way to where I just put new electrical tape. So let me move this over here. Let's see if it'll work. No, it won't work. I wonder if it'll work right here. Alright, it works right there. So I'm gonna have to electrical tape that in place. Well, it's already got a tab that holds it right there actually. So I'm gonna have to figure something out with the rest of it, because it's definitely affected within that part, this part of the harness. Or it could be this part of the plug. Sorry about that, it was in the way of the light. But I really doubt it's part of this, because it only does it whenever I specifically change the position of those wires right there. So I guess what I'm gonna do is just rig something up, and then I'll show you guys what I rigged. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So you may not like this solution, but I have flex shot silicone that I put down to hold the whole wire from this connector down, because it only works consistently when it's in that position. And this takes about 20 minutes to harden. So I'm gonna come back in about 20 minutes, and hopefully it'll be dry by then, and then I can take this piston off. So that's the solution I found. May not be the case. Yours may work perfectly fine all the time. I just know for my application, my situation, that it's intermittent. So yeah. Alright YouTube, so it's been about a week. I know I haven't posted this video out that I'm editing right now. I forgot to put in this last clip of the overview of the solution. So it works. It works every time now. So that is a really good solution to use. I would highly recommend it. Any kind of silicone basically that will stick to any surface will be good. So please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment below if it helps, comment below if you have any other solutions so people can use those to help with their problem. But I will try to put a video out next week. I've been busy enjoying the 4th of July, everything else. Hope you guys had a good 4th too. But I'm gonna head out now. See you guys next week.